In this video, I'm going to show you how to install any Logitech Profiler on PC. So just follow me. First, go to Google and type in Logitech Support. Then you want to go to this website, which is Logitech Customer Support and Business Support. So this is the website, you want to click on it. And now when you're on this website, you want to scroll down and it says find your product, and over here you want to find your product. So we're going to go with gaming over here. You want to click on gaming. And then from here, you will have to find whatever device you're using. So let's say this is a controller. You want to tap on the controllers button over here, and then you want to look for your controller. So of course, whatever you're using, you just want to click on that. And then from there on, I'll show you what to do. So for example, just for this video, you can press see more over here. Let's say we're using this steering wheel. Let me find it over here. There it is, the G27 racing wheel. Okay. Now let's say we're using this one. Of course, if you're using anything else, you can select that. Just click on it. And then from here, what you want to do is go to downloads over here on the left. Here, what you're then going to have to do is select your version of Windows. So as you can see, for me, for Windows 11, there's no available downloads, but for Windows 10, there's some downloads over here. Now, once you've done that, of course, select your version of Windows. You want to select if you have 64 or 32-bit Windows. And after that, you want to press download now over here. Now this will start the download, and as you can see, it will download it into your downloads folder over here. And you then want to simply double click that. And you'll be able to, of course, see the pop-up window in a few seconds. There we go, it's over here. And as you can see, Logitech Gaming Software Installer has been opened up on my computer. You want to first select your installation language, click Next. Then you want to read the license agreement over here, and then you want to accept this and press Install. And then you will simply have to wait for a few minutes for this to install. Now, this can take a few seconds up to a few minutes, and then over here, as you can see, you have this setup wizard. You want to click Next first. It says, please connect your Logitech game controllers now, okay? So I would actually recommend you do this so you connect your controller before you start doing this. However, if you start it now, that's no issue. Now, plug in your controller. I actually don't have mine with me right now, but just plug it into your computer. And then over here, once that's connected to your computer, you want to click Next, and it's going to start detecting it. Now, as you can see, this will take a few seconds yet again, and then it will detect it. It will help you calibrate your controller. It will help you test it, and then after that, you can finish. And after this part is done, as you can see, of course, I can't find it because over here, I don't have any plugged in my computer. But when you will have something plugged in your computer, you want to click Next yet again, and then over here, go to the entire testing phase, and then you want to tap Finish over here. And after that, once that's finished, you simply want to press Done. And that's it, you're ready to go. Now, as you can see, as I said, I don't have any gaming controllers, but if you do, you'll be able to see this app and you'll be able to customize different things on your controller. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.